what is the meaning of investment? Investment means capital formation. Investment means addition made into the existing stock of capital during year. It increases productive capacity of the producers and leads towards the economic growth. Now, the next topic is types of investment. Investment mainly is of two types. First one is net investment and second one is gross investment. So, investment is of two types. First one, net investment, and second one is gross investment. The gross investment is also known as gross capital formation. The total addition of capital goods to the existing stock of capital during the given time period is known as gross investment. Example of capital goods are machinery, raw material. Gross capital formation means gross investment is of two types. First one is gross fixed capital formation and second one is change in stock, which is considered as inventory. So first start with the gross fixed capital formation. It means that there is no change in the formation in the process of production. For example, building machinery. And then inventory. These are kept in stock to ensure continuous production, sale and transportation. For example, raw materials and finished goods. Gross fixed investment. It includes expenditure on gross business fixed investment, gross residential construction investment, and gross public investment. So, start with the gross business fixed investment. It is defined as expenditure on fixed assets like expenditure on machinery, equipments, factory, and buildings. Then, second one is gross residential construction investment. It includes investment on construction of flats and residential houses. Then third one is gross public investment. It is the expenditure which is taken place by the government on schools, hospitals, roads and dams. Calculation of gross fixed investment. It means that how the gross fixed investment can be calculated. And there is a formula. So, when stock of fixed assets at the end of the year minus stock of fixed assets in the beginning of the year. It means that when the stock of the fixed assets in the beginning of the year are deducting from the stock of fixed assets at the end of the year, we get gross fixed investment. Inventory investment. It is change in stock of finished goods, semi-finished goods, and raw material. Calculation of inventory investment or the closing stock of finished goods. So there is a formula through which inventory investment can be calculated. Now, semi-finished and raw material minus opening stock of finished, semi-finished goods and raw materials. It means that when opening stock of finished, semi-finished and raw material are deducted from the semi-finished and raw material goods, we reach towards the inventory investment. So, investment is mainly of two types, gross investment and net investment. So, now net investment. What is net investment? During the production process, some amount of capital stock is consumed. The consumption of the capital stock during the production process is considered as depreciation. When the depreciation is deducted from the gross investment, net investment is obtained. Calculation of net investment. Gross investment minus depreciation. It means that when depreciation are removed from the gross investment, we obtain net investment. Net investment is the real investment which helps in increasing the productivity as well as which leads towards the economic growth. Now we know that by deducting the depreciation from the gross investment, we reach to the net investment.